Hello everyone. Here's another lesson just for you. Do like, share and subscribe to my 2-minute lessons YouTube channel. In my previous episode, I spoke about diffusion, the process and uses of this phenomena. Is diffusion the only process that helps in movement of substances in living organisms? I have always wondered how water reaches every cell in living organisms. Do you think there is another process that helps plants with movement of water? Oh, look at this slide. Let's see what you have here. Yes, there are some dry raisins and some soaked raisins. Is there a difference? Of course. When soaked in water, the dry raisins swell up as there is a movement of water from the container into the raisins. What do we understand here? Dry raisins have no water and water has moved from the container into the raisins through the membrane of each raisin. What process is this? We see all these phenomena in real life. Plants survive. Cells live. We feel thirsty. We drink water after having salty snack. We are told to gargle with salt water when we have a sore throat. Our feet and hands get wrinkled when we place them in water for a long time. How does all this happen? Let's find out. Yes, the process is osmosis. It is a simple, natural process that occurs all around and inside us. It's one of the most vital processes for our survival. A balance is created to reach a state of equilibrium. Water plays this critical role. Each cell of the plant, animal, and human body survive due to osmosis. Osmosis functions as a life preserver. From helping out cells to survive to the desalination of seawater, the process involved is osmosis. Look at this experimental setup. We have a container and it is separated by a membrane inside. The first part has only water and the second sugar and some water, so there is a sugar solution. Outside the membrane, the water concentration is high and sugar is very low, whereas the concentration of sugar is high and concentration of water is low on the other side of the membrane. What is the direction of movement? It is from an area of high water concentration to an area of low water concentration. In other words, water, which is a solvent, moves from outside through the membrane inside. Sugar, which is the solute, gets diluted and this continues until a balance or equilibrium is reached. Remember, the membrane allows only water to enter. So it is a semi or selectively permeable membrane, a key difference from diffusion. Once a balance or equilibrium is reached, the flow stops. However, in living cells, there is a continuous movement of water as the neighboring cells will have low water concentration and water will move from cell to cell until a balance is reached. I hope you got that. Here are some examples of the two processes, osmosis and diffusion. Red blood cells swell up when exposed to water. Plant root hairs take up water are some of the examples for osmosis. Likewise, scent of perfume, exchange of gases are examples for diffusion. Osmosis and diffusion also display similarities. Both equalize the concentration of two solutions. Both are passive transport processes and do not require extra energy. In both, particles move from an area of high concentration to one of low concentration. That's it from my desk for this lesson. See you on the other side. Hope you have understood the process of osmosis. Thank you.